to tell you about a friend of mine. His name is Johnny and he's doing fine. He's got a hobby that ain't part at all, and he's doing it in winter, summer, spring and fall. Yeah, he's a birder and he's doing alright. There go Johnny, go Johnny, go, go, go. We're going to the bird party. We're going to the bird party. Yeah, it's down below and snow and a hell of a weather. You can't make it a bird if you can't see a feather. So he's checking out the news on the local bird server. He's risking his job to go birding much further. Yeah, he calls in sick and packs his old snowshoe set, where there's an ivory gull in the Massachusetts going to the bird party. Going to the bird party. My friend Johnny is a birding legend. His eyes are sharp and his hearing is godsend. I don't care about religion, but Johnny is my god. Yeah, he's got no music, only birdsong on his iPod. You see him on my gi on a warbler fallout. Then he's off to Peru for another fortnight, going to the bird party. They're going to the bird party. Some say Johnny is not like a real man. His life's less more important than a pretty woman. Well, Johnny was married, but he ain't married now. When he took off to Otto, his wife said, cha chow chow. Well, he learned his lesson and he learned it right. You don't go twitching on your wedding night. Now go to the bird party. They're going to the bird party. Well, go